how you can easily remove any phone number or email attached to your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's get started. So simply first head over to your Facebook application. To remove the phone number, you have to click on edit profile here, and once you go inside there, as you can see, edit your about info option at the bottom. Click on that. Once you click on that, you will get a contact info section here, and you can simply click on it and either remove it or change it by clicking on manage option over here. And once you click in here, you will get the option called delete number from here, and you can simply click on delete number to delete it. For Gmail, you have to head over to your hamburger icon at the main screen button, and once you go there, click on settings. And once you click on settings, inside settings, click on the account notification section here inside the preference section. And once you click on notification, here all the way down until you find the email option. As you can see, I don't have any email because I haven't added it, but if you have added your personal email to here, then you might want to click here like this, and you will get the option called delete email from here, and you can simply delete the email like that. So that's it, guys. That's exactly how you can easily delete phone number or email from your Facebook account. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.